Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, James here. How are you today? In this one, we actually talk about the BMW E46 and E39 series, and this one actually is M3 BMW and 2004. So what we want to talk about here is that the factory car has the factory screen like this. It has radio, it has screen, and it has 4G system. Now it will come with the Harman Kardon and Premium sound setup, and it comes with the factory amplifier and bunch of things inside the section over here. Okay, so it has CD stacker, it has the sat nav navigation, it has DSP amplifier over here under this cover. Alright, so what we have is we plug in our system. We plug in and we have the system coming up here together, and we retain the factory system at the back of the car. Okay, so we don't modify the wiring, we don't modify anything in the car over there in terms of the wiring harness, and we plug in our system and we run all the cable, connect to the head unit over here, and it runs beautifully with the premium head unit setup, and the sound system is beautiful as well. So just make short, the DSP sound system in the car is still right there, keep running together with our system here. Combined together, the sound in the car is absolutely satisfied at this point, and we want to say it's finished. You can see the 9-inch is beautifully done, and that is the 9-inch system. Okay, steering wheel control connect. Yeah, some button they might change the function here to different signal into the head, but otherwise it's still remaining, most of them working correctly, including the volume button. Okay, now the thing you can see that we control the volume, and it go up and down there, and we can easily see that the system here works beautifully fast with the wireless Apple CarPlay, as you can see. Yeah, it just simply so fast that we love it. We love how it is, and yeah, that's all about. And yeah, so thanks again for watching, and yeah, we'd like to see you on the next one. So thank you.